Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. And today we have a new type of unboxing. It's outdoors unboxing. I'll just show you around. I'm basically in the Black Forest, uh, and I set up here to unbox a very cool watch that was sent to me by Boldr to test out, and then I'll send it back. So I'm not gonna keep this watch. And yeah, so let me get down to it. So from the packaging you cannot see what's inside, and the reason I did this unboxing outside is because this one is called the Boulder Supply ENIGMATH Schwarzwald. So Schwarzwald is the Black Forest, and here we have the watch. Really nice. You get this pelican box, you get this beautiful cool gadget where you can calculate several things. I'll go into detail in the review video. And you get your Boulder supply card, your use catalog, and even some stickers. So you get a couple of things with your watch. So let me get the watch out to show you in. So here we have the Enigmas. So let me take this off, and also the back, so we can put them back for the next reviewer. So we have a field style, compressor style inner bezel field watch. So we have 316L steel, sandblasted and polished. As you can see, sandblasted on the sides, chamfered, polished chamfered on the edges of the case, the bezel, and this cool dual side, I don't know, can say like a bump. And we have a Miyota 9039 automatic movement with hand wind. So basically you get a screw down crown, you get hand wind, you get hacking seconds, and no kind of date position or ghost date position, which I like as well. Also you get a screw down crown for the tool. So basically the inner crown is a tool. So for instance, if you want to calculate something like kilometers per hour, you put it on 60 and then you can calculate it. I will go through this in detail when I do the review of the video of the watch. The movement, like I said, is a Miyota. It has a 42 hours power reserve running at 2800 vibrations per hour. The watch is rated at 200 meters water resistance, quite well also with the screw down crown, both like I said screw down crown, so I have utmost trust that no water will go inside. You have Boldr logo on one on the crown setting crown, yeah, and on the inner bezel crown you have this red circular look. It has a Super Luminova BGW9 loom on the hands and on the numerals, and it has like this custom hands with a skeletonized in the middle, which gives it a really nice look. As you can see, Expedition, you can hear the Black Forest, and on the back you can see the case back and some sort of art. We'll go also into it in the review video. Just wanted to show you the watch. So the basic case dimensions, we have 41 millimeters, 12.8 thickness, 47.5 millimeter lug to lug with holes in the lugs where you can change them easily. And yeah, that's about it. I will show you how it looks on my 17 centimeter wrist. Here we have the watch. Get some dogs that are walking. Hopefully they don't attack us. Hello. So as you can see, we have a reflective, anti-reflective coated sapphire crystal with a chamfer. and the edges. And yeah, really nice watch, I have to say. Definitely I will be happy to test it out for the next couple of weeks, and in the review video I will cover how to set up this inner bezel, and of course the supplied calculation stuff with it. And I'll also go through yeah, what did I like, what I didn't like about the watch. So keep looking out for the video. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe. You can find the subscriber button in the middle and 2 videos you might like on the left and on the right. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.